Hi there, welcome to Navigating Graduate School Application. My name is Ebenezer. If today is your first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So over here, I give tips on how to apply successfully to graduate programs in the US, Canada, or any country of your choice. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how international students can get application fee waivers. So sometimes applying to schools in the US, Canada, or other countries can be quite expensive. You pay sometimes it ranges from $50, some are even 100 USD, so it's quite expensive. So if you are applying to study in the US, it is good to get some tips on how to get application fee waivers. So the first way of getting application fee waiver is to search through the program that you're applying to their website, and you can navigate through their frequently asked questions. Sometimes you answer that question: does the program that you are applying to, do they offer fee waiver? If they offer fee waiver, you can see it's written boldly there. If you search the program's website and you do not have this information, consider emailing the program coordinator, the specific program that you're applying to. Consider emailing them, and then also asking them, like if you email them, in your email you should be able to introduce yourself, your background, and the specific program that you are interested in, and then also politely ask for or request for fee waivers. And sometimes they can grant you, at times too, they will not grant you, and that is fine. So the next one is that the next step is to also consider joining webinars, and then also open house information sessions. So during these webinars, all students or prospective students who attend these webinars are sometimes granted application fee waivers, so they give them unique code. So I hope these tips help you, and it is good to apply to a lot of programs. And if you are applying to a lot of programs, and let's say 6 programs, and each of them cost like 100 USD, that means you are going to pay like 600 USD. That is quite expensive for international applicants from Ghana, Nigeria, and even Togo. Is quite expensive. So what you can do is that out of these 6 programs, you can get some fee waivers through the tips that I've given you. That's like reading through the program's website, emailing program coordinators to request for fee waivers, and then also attending information sections or open house webinars. Just register and then attend. And I hope these tips help you get some fee waivers. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and then see you in my next video.